Hey guys, Chase Chapman here, Total Value RV. We're here with a 2019 Aria 3401. It's a hot floor plan. We actually had 4 folks from the same neighborhood out west come in and pick up 4 3401 Arias. This is the new 2019 with all the latest and greatest updates we have. It's on the Freightliner chassis, of course, with the 360 horsepower Cummins. We got the 3000 series Allison transmission. And you know, structurally with the Atlas foundation, this is one of the more solid built coaches in the industry. So starting up front here, we got the chrome mirrors, add a nice little touch to that. We got the entry awning right here to cover your doorway. And then I like to talk about the fuel fill right here. It's above the belt line, so much more easy gravity fill. It doesn't spit the fuel back out at you or anything like that. Our first compartment right here, little storage area. It's a white pebble grain, so easy to see in low light conditions. We also have a light in there for you as well. No carpet or felt, so if you do get moisture in there, it won't, you know, mildew up on you or anything like that. Right here we're going to have our slide out tray. Goes out both sides. They'll give you a mud flap, a couple extra tiles just in case. I mentioned the Atlas foundation. If you look up in here, notice, you know, the floor of the motorhome is actually sitting up off the chassis rails, so this limits, you know, road vibrations and bumps and stuff like that transferring up in your box, and just gives you a much more smoother ride. Here we got our outdoor television. We got it on the sound bar now. This is going to be your freshwater tank. You have the second auxiliary gravity fill right there. If you have to get access to your fridge back there, this is what this little compartment is. We got the armless awning up here. It has a wind sensor built in, so as you have it out, you know, if the wind picks up, it'll automatically retract itself so it doesn't get ripped off the side of your coach. This is going to be your 2 chassis batteries, and we give you disconnect for that as well, so you can shut those off when you store the coach. And this is going to be just some electrical. You got your charge controller for your solar. On the 2019 Arias, we'll have 100-watt solar panel on the roof, and then this is going to be your inverter right there. And then just another little storage compartment back here. On the back, you got your roof ladder just to get up there, do some maintenance. You're going to have the TPO roof. It's, you know, ideally a maintenance-free roof. You do have to get up there and check all your seals around your AC shrouds, roof vents, and stuff like that. On the back here, we get to our engine. Just check all your everyday fluids. We got a 10,000-pound hitch back here, and you can tow a Thru 10K with that. We integrate the 7-way plug into the cap just to give that a nice clean look. And then you notice we got the docking lights and then the backup camera up there. Going around on this side, you're going to have your power cord and your 4 house batteries, your 4 6-volt house batteries there. And then this is going to be your def tank. You got a gauge right there on the unit. We have another gauge in there on the fuel gauge inside. This is going to be your wet bay, where you hook up your water, outdoor shower, where you dump your fresh tank, low point drains, obviously your black and gray down there. It's nice they put your water pump in this compartment too, it's easy to get to, and then your whole house water filter there. And this is just going to be the other side of your slide tray there. This is going to be your propane tank here. Alright, this front compartment, this is going to be a lot of your chassis wiring, your hydraulic pump for your leveling system, and then you'll also have the T-handle to open the front compartment for your generator, and then dual fuel fill right here, so you can fill the coach up on both sides. So going around the front, you got your clear diamond shield there, and then you open this compartment, get to your generator, and then you got the Cummins 8,000 kilowatt generator right there. Alright, so that's the outside of the coach, guys. We're going to take you in, show you this 3401 floor plan. and see what you think. Alright, so we're inside the 3401. We got the opposing slides up front, so notice how much floor space you have. What's cool about it, you got the opposing seating. If you're sitting here, you got a good view of your television. If you're sitting over here, you got a huge dinette with 4 nice big windows over there to look out. But you do have the theater seating over here with 2 seat belts. Plenty of storage in this coach. We got 4 cabinets right here. Plenty in the kitchen. We got the solid surface countertops. We got these new square stainless steel sinks which look pretty sharp. We got the power deck right here with some plug-in outlets, that way you don't have to run them up underneath your cabinets every time. You got the induction cooktop, the nice residential microwave. It's a convection microwave as well. And then there's plenty of storage in here. Up under there, 4 drawers right there. You got 3 pull-out trays right here, which is nice. Storage is a big thing, so they try to give it to you, everywhere possible. Over here with the dinette, you got 3 cabinets above this still. You're getting the LG TV right here. It's a smart TV, and they give you the sound bar as well. So a nice hangout area up here, where you're all going to be traveling down the road. So coming on back, here's your control panel. You control everything in the coach from this one screen right here. And what's cool about it, you can get an app on your smartphone and do everything on your phone that you could do from here. So we got the residential fridge, the whirlpool, and then you even get pantry space. Once again, storage is a big thing. They give it to you everywhere possible. Alright, so here's our bathroom. You got a nice 1-piece shower in there, 1-piece fiberglass shower. Storage behind the mirror, you got the sink. You got a porcelain toilet in here. Like I said, you got the enclosed shower too instead of the curtains. And even towel rack behind the door here. So going back to the bedroom, going back to the back here, you notice you got a king bed. It's on the tilt-a-view, so it's nice. You can sit up and watch TV. And then you got 4 cabinet storages back behind it there with the windows for cross ventilation. And then you got the wardrobe back here. A little bit more wardrobe space on the other side. Right here is going to be your stackable washer and dryer. We got the whirlpool there for you. And then your dresser, you got 6 large drawers right here. Stored behind your television as well. And then another wardrobe right here. And something I didn't point out, all your shelving in the coach, the kitchen, back here in the bedroom is adjustable now. You can put your own touch on it. So that's the inside of the 3401 floor plan, guys. We're going to close the slides up, show you what it looks like going down the road, and go from there. Alright guys, I want to show you the front area up here where you're going to be driving. First we have the leveling system, and then you see right here your gear shifter for the transmission, some switches for your air horn, dash fan. We got heated mirrors on this one. You also have an exhaust brake there. Here's the switch for the docking lights on the back we talked about. On the Aria you can dump your air, so if you want to lower your coach a few inches, if you got a shorter building and need to gain a few inches, you can do that. Here's the switches for your light. What I like, you got a nice small dash for the Aria where all the gauges are. This allows maximum visibility looking out the windshield there. Total value RV exclusive. We have 55 miles on this coach. We're right down the road from the factory, and pretty much all our inventory is fresh out of the factory. So here's our backup camera. You also have cameras on both sides integrated with your blinker. And then here's your radio. What's nice about having 2 screens, you can have the camera on at all times and still mess with your radio. A little bit of storage up under here. And then you see your defrost vents up front. Our step well, that bottom step will actually come up and give you a flush floor right there. A lot of them are stepped down about 1 inch or 2 still, but that closes up for a nice flush floor. Up front we got some cabinets up here, a TV as well. Also we got the wine guard on this coach, which provides Wi-Fi. So you can. What's cool about it, you can go through your own phone subscription, put a chip in that, and have Wi-Fi on board wherever you go. If you bring anybody with you, you got the Euro Loft here. This thing has a 500-pound weight capacity on it, about the size of a full-size bed. So if someone comes, you got a ladder, they sleep up here, they got their own TV, they can utilize these for their own storage compartments as well. So we wanted to show you the coach with the slides in. You can still get to everything, no problem. What's cool about it, if you do got a lot of people going with you, they're all sitting right here behind you, and they got plenty of windows to look out. But very easy to get back to the kitchen. You can do everything you need to do here. Get to the bathroom, no problem. That door opens up almost all the way, and then even get to the fridge still. So I hope you guys enjoyed our video here of the 2019 3401. If you have any questions, let us know. Once again, my name is Chase Chapman. My cell phone number is 706-669-6360. Give me a call.